Greetings Internet, it's Dustin again with my HomeKit Home, bringing you all things Apple HomeKit, from news to product reviews to how-tos, just like this one. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of our new videos as soon as they're released. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to perform a factory reset on the Aqara Smart Plug. Now this is a pretty straightforward process, and in fact we go through it whenever we're setting up the device with the Aqara hub. However, I thought we'd revisit it in today's video in case you're trying to troubleshoot later down the line, or if you've forgotten how it's done. So here we are in Apple's Home app, and if we tap on the device and we go down into the settings, we would normally see an option to remove accessory. However, since this is linked to the Aqara hub, we have to go through this process in the Aqara Home app. So we'll go ahead and tap on the accessories tab. We'll find our smart plug and we'll choose it. And once we've done that, we'll tap the three dots at the top right, and we'll go ahead and scroll all the way down until we find our remove accessory option. Once we've done that, we'll go ahead and confirm, and once we've confirmed, we get this nice announcement:
device deleted.
And once we've gotten that confirmation, we'll go ahead and press and hold the button on the top of our smart plug until we get a blue flashing LED. This lets us know that the smart plug has in fact been factory reset, and we can do with it what we will. So that's all there is to that. I do hope you found today's video useful, and if you did, you can let us and YouTube know by giving us a big thumbs up. It really does help out the channel by helping others find our content. If you're interested in more Aqara related content with a HomeKit lens, you can check out this playlist here, or you can watch this video here. Well, that's all the time that we do have for today. I thank you for watching, and until I see you in the next one, this has been Dustin with my HomeKit Home.